All right, quick update. Back here at Young Masan. This is the one room. That's the door that's closed up. And over here, we just finished putting heat lines in. So that mud is going on top. Bathroom, as I said, that's where the kitchen's going. Got the drain lines in and closed up. Still gonna walk on the mud. Got this window in here, so there's gonna be heat throughout here. And a lot of area over here for some storage. These narrowed these stairways. Come on up here. And as I mentioned before, that we were gonna put a new door in here, and there it is. Now let's go take a look at the other side. Mixing up some water there. Down the stairs. Notice the lines are buried. Haven't put the boiler in there yet. New window here, new window there. New doorway around the bathroom. Bathroom floor's all done and all the plumbing lines in, and all the cement done. Doorway closed up, and then over there, new doorway in the bathroom. All right, that's it. We got some electric going on, brother. Thanks for watching.